very rude. All right. I'm sorry, baby. If you want to come on this side, probably better. I'm gonna try not to pinch your skin. Hold on, baby.
I know.
And it's painful because it's just been in there too. So I'm trying to move her hair. She's a hairy girl.
I
know, baby. I know.
It's okay. Good girl, Paris.
Kind of got a twist. I
I
know.
know. There you go.
There we go. Yep. You see the front of it is out too. Yeah, they're gross.
Yeah. It's like
If you want to see
a
it.
corkscrew.
And I'm gonna check that spot just to make sure I did in fact